For today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to eat cheesecake. See this? It's strong. Oh, it's strong. I farted. Oh my god. I farted. Woo! I farted. Don't do that or else you'll break your mother's back. Oh my god.
Come back. Oh my god. Come here.
Did you smell that?
Come here.
I got up.
You sit back down.
Now, if you gotta finish
Sit
off.
back down.
Ow! Corking up the crotch.
Okay.
Now, for today's lesson, this is gone. Yum, yum, yum. As you can see, it's a very nice facial. Facial.
Facial?
See, I can. Do I look like I'm getting ready to go for a war? Roar! Alright, for me, ladies! I thought I saw a cracker. Arr!
Eat here.
Fear me, for I am Captain Cheesecake. Ah! Are we good?
Eat it. You haven't ate it
I
yet.
don't want to eat it.
Pick it up. And pick that up. And pick the man's by your feet up.
Ew.
She's gonna come over here and yell at you.
It's all Raven's fault.